Hangzhou Kafan-Machinery and Equipment Company Limited. We are one of market leader factory for metal surface treatment machinery. Kafan is a brand under the Kolo Group, specializing in sandblaster equipment and mass finishing equipment. Our products range from manual sandblasting machine, which includes pressure sandblasting machine, vapor blasting machine or multi-sandblasting cabinet, to automatic sandblasting machine, include conveyor belt sandblasting machine, automatic indexing rotating sandblasting machine with work in large batches. We also can offer special design according to different workpiece requested. Kolo Factory have worked on worldwide market for 14 years because of the superior technology, quality, service. We've exported into more than 100 countries, establishing long-term business with distributors in US, Mexico, Russia, Poland, UK, Germany, South Africa, Vietnam, Thailand, etc. Located in Hangzhou, China, we own a manufacturing base of 3,642 square meters, over 60 employees and 9 sets production equipment, dividing into technical department, sales department, after-sale department, production department, QC department, manage and finance department, etc. Our advanced production equipment guarantees the quality of machines. These is production equipment like CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine, laser cutting machine, etc. We seriously control each step of production to make sure the good quality of product and test each part before shipping to ensure all work well. We devoted all ourselves to offering solution for any